This problem is actually easy. I know the exact answer. The formula works perfectly. I cannot write the truth. I must pick wrong options. It looks clean. Nobody will know.
Time is up now. Hand in your tests.
Here is my paper. I did my best.
You did great, Lily Bell. You've worked so hard on your studies, and I'm so proud of you. Lola, look at this. Your test score is very low. You always get good grades.
Math is really hard now. The new numbers confuse me. Do not worry about it. It is just the first test. You will do better next time.
We know you can do it. Just keep trying hard. We believe in you. Study well for the midterm.
Do not cry. I will help you. Thank you so much. I love you. Here is a sweet treat. Oh. You will learn fast. We are a team. This tastes really good. You are the best sister. This dress needs a big bow. It will look pretty. My hand hurts a bit. I need more colors. This pencil is tiny, but I will not stop. Your dress is beautiful. Keep working hard. I will make real dresses. Just wait and see. That guitar is so shiny. I want to play it. The music sounds amazing. It costs too much money. I can only dream about it. Look at my new guitar. It plays perfectly. My dad bought it today. I will not ask for one. My parents work hard. We have no money. I must be good. Are you okay, sweetie? You look very sad. I am perfectly fine. I just walked fast. This floor is very dusty. I must clean it fast. Mom will be happy. I can hear the music. The melody is in my head. This is my magic guitar. Listen to these beautiful chords. I am playing a great song. The stars shine bright. My heart is flying high. I feel so free. Music is my friend. Your voice is amazing. You are a real star. Oh, you surprised me. I was just playing around.
The midterm is coming soon. Please study hard, girls. We believe in you.
This chapter is very long. I must read it twice. This problem is actually easy. I know the exact answer. The formula works perfectly. I cannot write the truth. I must pick wrong options. It looks clean. Nobody will know.
Time is up now. Hand in your tests.
Here is my paper. I did my best.
We have the midterm results. You both did a great job. I am very proud.
You got a C this time. That is a big improvement. I kept my perfect score. I got an A again. I am so incredibly happy.
You are a smart girl. You earned the top grade. We have a secret. It is a reward.
What is in the box? Is it really for me?
Open it up right now. You earned it.
Oh my goodness! It is a brand new laptop! Thank you so much! Now you can draw better. This will help your art. I am so happy for her. She deserves this gift. But why do I feel a little sad? Just let it go. Wow, that is so cool! Congratulations, Lily! Thank you! You are very smart. I love your computer. I am so excited! We can study and draw with this laptop. You should draw first. It is your gift. This design program is fast. I can choose any color. My dresses look so real. Your work is beautiful. This machine helps a lot. It is very quiet out here. I wish I had an instrument. I will just imagine one. I am playing a soft song. The rhythm is steady. The breeze feels nice. My heart is calm. Why are you sitting here? Let us study math. I am enjoying the wind. Math is boring. You went from D to C. You can get an A. This lesson is very easy. Let me teach you this. You will understand it quickly. If you get an A, Mom might buy a guitar. Really? You just need to try. I will help you. I will try my best. I want to beat you. But my brain is slow. Please explain it again. Do not give up. We can use my laptop. You are very kind. I will practice more. Lola is very messy today. I need to fix her bed. She left her pillows everywhere. What is this old book? It was hidden deep down. These are math tests. Lola solved everything perfectly. The numbers are brilliant. The answers are right. She used good formulas. Why did she get bad grades? It makes no sense. Let me read this page. It is her handwriting. Put that book down. Do not read it. Why are you reading my stuff? You cannot peek into my secrets. Please give it back. It is just silly stories. Please forget about it. I read those lines already. You got a lower score on purpose. Tell me the truth. Why did you let me win? We can get an A together. Please do not tell our parents. They will be so sad. Why did you do that? Please explain it to me. Let me tell you a story. It happened before the first test. I woke up thirsty. I walked to the kitchen. Our parents were awake.
My chest hurts a lot.
I know, dear.
But I must keep working. We need more money soon.
We can only buy one gift. I want to reward the best kid.
I will work night shifts. We will buy 2 gifts.
You are already sick. Please do not do it.
Dad looked very tired. He was coughing so hard. I felt terrible. You were sleeping at the desk. Your hand was red from drawing. I made a choice that night. I had to protect Dad. I had to let you win. You are an angel. I love you so much. Do not cry anymore. I am totally fine. I cannot keep this secret. It is not fair to Lola. She is a genius. But Mom and Dad will cry. They will feel very guilty. I have to be brave today. The truth must come out. I will tell them everything. I love my sister. She sacrificed her dream. I cannot take the gift alone. I am going in.
Welcome home, sweetie. How was school today?
School was fine, but we need to talk. I found Lola's secret diary. She knows all the math. She is extremely smart.
What are you talking about? She got a C on the test. She faked the bad grades. She heard you talk about money. She wanted me to have the laptop. She stopped Dad from working nights. She gave up her score. She protects us. I am sorry.
Oh, my sweet Lord. What have we done?
Our poor little girl. My heart is breaking. I am home from school. Why is everyone crying? Did something bad happen? Please do not be angry. I will be a better girl. Nobody is angry at you. We know the whole truth. We saw your diary.
My foolish girl. Why did you hide your mind? You must never do that again. We love you.
You are so brave. We will figure things out. I just wanted to help. I love our family.
The school year is over. Look at these amazing papers. You both did perfectly.
We both got an A+. Ah! We are the smartest twins. I answered every question. Math is very fun again. I am so proud of myself.
You girls worked hard. We are very proud. We have a huge surprise. Close your eyes now.
Open your eyes now. Look what I have.
Oh my goodness! It is a real guitar!
It is an old guitar, but I polished the wood. I put on brand new strings.
It is the most beautiful thing. I am so happy today. Thank you from my heart. The sound is very clear. My fingers fit well. This is a dream. I will practice every day.